In this video, I'll show you how to create a Mailchimp account. Once you are on Mailchimp.com, in here you will be greeted with what Mailchimp is. If you scroll down, you will see all of the experiences as well as the recommendations for your business. And in order for you to create an account, what you need to do is simply head over to the left-hand side and click on the yellow button to sign up. What you can also do is simply head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, click on the yellow button to sign up. Now, once you click on sign up, you'll be greeted with a standard plan. Now, let's say you don't want to do a standard plan. On the bottom, if you scroll down, you will automatically see the free version. So in here, if you have under 250 contacts, then it is considered as free. However, you do have some limitations. As you can see in here, these are the key plan features. It will have an X. If each and every plan doesn't have that, and if you scroll down even more, you can compare all of the features. At the top, you can also choose email marketing if that is what you're going to use Mailchimp for. You can choose websites as well as transactional. Now, let's say we want to do email marketing and scroll down until we find the free. So from here, click on the sign up button under the 250 contacts. Now that will open a new tab from here. What you need to do is add your business email. Now, when adding a business email, just make sure that this email is working. What you can also do on the right-hand side is use your Google account for the email. Now, let's say we want to add a business email. We will add our username. Now, for the username, this could be whatever, as long as you do remember your username. At the bottom, you need to add a password. Now, a password has a rule. You need to have one lowercase character, an uppercase character, one number, one special character, 8 characters minimum, and must not contain your username. Now, this is an example of a perfect password. As you can see, I have a special character, a number, a lowercase, as well as an uppercase. And once you're done at the bottom, you can check to not receive emails about Mailchimp or any related Intuit products and feature updates. At the bottom, click on sign up. Now, that will automatically take you to the verification section where you need to verify your email address. So what you need to do is simply open the email address. This will be either Gmail, Outlook, or Proton. And once you open the email, you need to paste the verification code in here. So press on Control V. And once you paste the code, Mailchimp will automatically read the code. And once it is successful, it will take you to the welcome page. From here, you need to add your first name and your last name. At the bottom, you need to add your business name. You can change this later on. On the phone number, you can add your phone number. It is recommended, but you can also leave it as blank. At the bottom, click on next. Now, this is where you need to add your business address. Now, there are two ways to do this. The first way is by adding your email address, and it will show you the list of all of the addresses that are related to the address line in which you have added. What you can also do is manually add it, but I do suggest that you choose it from one of the recommendations since it will automatically add the rest of the information below. So in here, let's say this is the exact address in which we are going to add. It will automatically add the city, the state, the zip code, as well as the country. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on next. Now, that will take you to what describes your organization. Let's say you do e-commerce, physical retail, professional services, consumer services. What you can also do is select other below and click on next. It will ask you the tools that you are currently using, let's say ActiveCampaign and Gmail. At the bottom, click on next. And in here, you can import your brand. This means your website. If you don't have a website, at the bottom, simply click on I don't have a website. Now, in here, you have to confirm your industry. As you can see, there are a lot of industries in which you can choose from. If nothing of these apply, simply head over to the bottom and click on none of these apply. But if you do have your selected industry, head over to the bottom and click on confirm. Now, this is where you need to add how many email contacts do you have. Now, this is also depending on the plan in which you have chosen. And here you can do this later, but the ranges are 0 to 500, 501 to 105, 501 to 1500. But if you scroll down, you can have 200 plus email contacts. I will do this later. Now that will take you to the selection in here. We have here in offer, we have a 14-day free trial. You will just need to add your credit card or PayPal. At the bottom, if you don't want to do that, simply head over to the free option. This will limit 250 contacts and you can only start with an email. So at the bottom, click on continue free. You can also choose from one of the plans if that is something that you want to do. And once you're done, it will automatically prepare your account And once your account is done, as you can see, it will automatically take you to the dashboard. And from here, you can start using Mailchimp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.